Awesome. That's what I do with my daughter all the time.
Oh.
And you will too.
What?
You know why?
What does it have to do with it?
You know, it's so funny. It's so funny how nursery rhyme songs, they tend to just teach the kids so much. You know what I'm saying? Like, whereas we, you know what I'm saying, older people, we find them dumb. You know what I'm saying? Like the song "I Like to Eat." Yeah. And then I like to eat apples and bananas.
What does that teach you? Eat?
Well, the thing about it is slowly but surely teaching your kids, or teaching y'all soon to have kids, but they taught my kids, their values.
Oh, yeah.
Not values, their vowels. Because, you know, I like to I like to oot. I like to eight. So it helps them learn their vowels. Really neat. I know. It's always underlining subtext with all this stuff. Ain't that right, Canute? 7. 7, you have -5, 4m plus 3 is equal to a -15 plus 4m. Okay?
Can you put the line in this column?
Huh?
Can you put the line?
Got you. That line helps, doesn't it?
No, it just makes things more organized.
Yeah, it does. I will admit, it does.
Because just putting a bunch of, because it gets confusing after a bunch of.
Yeah, it does. Trying to make this go as fast as I can, I'm sorry.
Alright, now we do the distribution with the -5 to all of them.
Uh-huh. Distribution. Okay, so, -5. Boom. Boom. Right? -5 times 4m is what?
20, -20.
-20m. -5 times 3 is what?
-15.
Uh-huh. Is equal to -15 plus 4m. All right, we have 2 terms on either side. So let's just...
Wait, I have a question about this. Let's say right now, because we have like a -15 and -15 on the other side, right?
Yeah?
If we do plus 15 and we get rid of that, can we get rid of the other one too? Because whatever we do on one side, we do to the other, right?
Ah. So...
Does that matter?
So let's put this 4m to the other side and let's do what you just suggested, right?
Yeah.
What kind of 4m is this? Huh?
It's a positive.
It's a positive. What's the opposite of positive? Negative 4m. -4m, right? So therefore, that cancels out. We have
A -24m.
-24m minus 15 equal to a -15. And he said, let's add this 15 to the other side.
Yeah, because it does make sense.
Do they both cancel out?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, right? Boom. So therefore, what's left over here?
0.
There you go. -24m is equal to 0. 0 divided by anything is what, Miss Howe? Huh? Honda?
I don't know.
We're on number 7.
No, I know. I'm
Oh.
on that one. It's just 'cause, like, me keeping up with you, like, while writing it.
Gotcha. Take your time.
0.
Take your time.
But it,
So, what we're doing is -24. And divide what you do on one side, you must.
The other.
So -24. What's 0 divided by -24, miss?
0.
There you go. Boom. Good job. Okay? Whew. Last 2. 9 and 11.
okay. Oh, this is,
No pun intended.
this has 2.
See, when you say that, it's like a
Yeah. I noticed it after I said it.
About what?
Nothing, never mind. So, Number 9.
Yeah, we can do that.
4. Negative 5x minus 2 parentheses. I'm replacing my k's with x's. So plus 4 parentheses 1 plus 7x equal to 60. Now, numbers 9 and 10, you do have two distributive properties. You have two distributive properties with just a number on the other side, okay? All right, so this is where, I'm gonna be honest with you, 9 through 12, you are going to be doing the distributive property and then combining like terms, okay? With a couple of these, actually with all of them, all right? Some of them you might not, some of them you're probably just gonna have the distributive property on one side and the distributive property on the other side. But at the same time, you need to understand that you will be doing the distributive property and you're going to be combining like terms. So just be prepared for that, okay? So, distribute. Okay? 4 times negative 5x.
Negative 20.
Negative 20x. 4 times the negative 2.
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Let's go to this one. 4 times 1.
4.
4 times 7x.
Oh, 28.
Plus 28x equal to 60.
Now we combine our x.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's
This is
48.
this is a negative 20x
It's 8. It's
and
8.
a 28x, and then we have our negative 8 plus 4.
Because
Okay.
the 20s cancel out each other, and what's left
So-
is an 8. So it's 8x
8x. Good job.
minus 8 plus 4.
What is negative 8 plus 4?
4. Oh, it's 4. Negative 4.
Minus 4.
And then we add 4.
Holcomb, you okay?
Huh?
You okay?
I was reading that right there.
Oh, okay.
Because that's the difference. Because whatever you do on one side, you do it.
So what do we do next?
Plus 4.
Plus 4.
Do it to the other side. And that's
What's 8x equal to 64?
Then we divide.
Uh-huh.
Divide x, because we're going to do one side to the other, and then x equals u. Is it 8?
Good job. 8. Am I making this pretty simple?
Yeah.
So simple it's boring?
Yeah. I think we do all that good thing though.
Pretty much, yeah. I'm gonna be honest.
Mr. Connor,
What's up?
I say we go outside.
What? Tomorrow I'll be giving y'all's worksheets on pretty much, it's gonna be looking like y'all's test.
We should do
All right.
class outside.
And so you're gonna have 4 questions dealing with 1 step, 4 questions dealing with 2 steps, and 4 questions. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Y'all's 4 questions are pretty much gonna be modeled after 9 through 12. I'm not even gonna be giving y'all 1 through 8.
Oh.
That's just, the 1 through 8 is just a little bit of a refresher just to build you up so that you'll understand 9 through 12 much better, okay? So just so you know.
Great.
Because y'all are smart, right?
Except for me.
What?
Try it.
Says the guy with an A in the class. Anyway,
When did I get an A?
You've been
last week. Anyway, 11,
This is like the only class that I have an A in. So.
4,
That's a lie.
parenthesis 5A, plus 3 is equal to 8, minus 8,
Yeah.
parenthesis
But I don't like
7
I don't have friends.
plus 5A
I don't know what.
Okay, so.
Um,
Whoo!
Oh, put the line.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, sir. What's up?
You like how in 7, 9, and 11, each of the beginning starts with a 20?
Yes, it does, doesn't it?
Because 4 times 5, or the 5 times 4.
Now we do this for what is that thing that you call it?
Distributive property.
Say it again?
Distributive property.
Distributive property. I know the math, not the math.
4 times 5 is
20.
28. 4 times a positive 3?
12.
Uh-huh.
Positive.
12. Positive 12. Then we have 8 minus, what is negative 8 times 7?
56.
56. Negative 8 times 5a.
Negative 48.
Negative 48. 48?
Oh, 48.
40a. Thank you. Sorry.
Now we combine,
That's why it didn't really compute in my head. I'm like 48,
now we
48.
combine the a's, and that's going to be a negative 20a.
Before we do that though, do we have, how many terms do we have over here?
2.
2. How many terms do we have over here?
2, so I guess we'll solve the 8 one.
Do we have only 2 terms?
We have a 1, 2, 3.
We got 3 terms over there. So, therefore, can we combine like terms over here on this side?
Yeah.
What 2 terms can we combine?
8 and negative 56.
Yes, 8 and the negative 56, right?
Why do you put the box?
Just so that the kids at home can understand what we're talking about.
I understand.
No, you don't know them.
They have calculators, literally. That's what everybody does. Not trying to be rude or anything, but
This guy. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. What did it?
Oh, never mind.
Good.
yeah. I was gonna say.
What is?
I was gonna
48.
say negative 48.
It is negative 48. Thank you, sir. Negative 48. Minus 40. A. And then we have 20. A plus 12. Okay? So, now, you said you wanted to do what? Add this 40A to the other side?
Yeah, that's gonna be a negative 28 with plus 12.
Really? Why?
No.
It's an
Oh, yeah,
positive
60.
60. I thought we were just 68. And then negative 12 for both sides.
Uh-huh.
12.
So we have 60A equal to what?
36.
Same sign.
Oh, wait.
60.
No, 60, sorry.
Negative 60.
It'll be a negative 60. Be careful. Same sign sum, okay? Obviously,
That's gonna be your next one.
good job. Negative divided by a positive is equal to a negative, and 60 divided by 60 is 1.
A equals
Oh, I tripped myself out. I looked at number 12 instead of 11. It's,
Any questions, comments, concerns? Yes, no, maybe so? Hopefully not. This is pretty straightforward. I'm not trying to trick any of y'all, all right? It's relatively simple.